ASUS StylePad is a completely new feature on selected ASUS Creator laptops that lets you interact with creative apps in the most natural and immersive way possible. ASUS StylePad is a virtual version of ASUS Style, the physical rotary controller on StudioBook laptops. ASUS StylePad is available on VivoBook Pro 14X and 16X laptops, and it gives you precise and intuitive parameter control in creative apps such as Adobe Photoshop. With ASUS StylePad, you can easily change brush size, change saturation, adjust layer opacity, rapidly undo actions, and much more. You can also adjust screen brightness and volume, or vertical scroll to make your creative workflow smoother. ASUS StylePad currently works with Adobe Creative Apps. In Photoshop, you can modify the brushes and switch between layers, enhancing your work in the most intuitive way. For Lightroom Classic, it's simple to adjust the color balance and tone to get the best out of your photos. Working in Premiere Pro, you can jog through the scenes, quickly adjust audio tracks, and enjoy seamless video editing. For After Effects, you can navigate the timeline and zoom in. It's never been easier to add special effects. It's also fully customizable, and we're working with software developers to introduce additional compatible apps. Enjoy the improved productivity and let your creativity flow. Treat your hands to ASUS StylePad today.